Hello everyone, how are you all? I'm Manju, you are watching my English channel Grammar with Manju ma'am, and today's topic is going to be very interesting and very important for the students, those who are preparing for the competitive exams. Spotting the error and finding the correct answer is very common in all the competitive exams. So here I have taken a few questions and we are going to solve those questions today. The topic is error detection and correction, where you are going to find the error and at the same time you are going to give the correction too. So let's see the first sentence. The first sentence is, no one were present when I entered the examination hall. So you have to find here in which part there is a mistake. Okay. If you see question number 1, there are 4 parts, A, B, C and D. In one of the parts, you will certainly get some error because there is no option for no error. Okay, so let's see. No one were present when I entered the examination hall. So present when I entered the examination hall. I don't find mistake in B, C and D part. Let's see in A part, what is the mistake? No one were. Remember, with no one, always we use singular verb. So here it should not be were. You will cancel were and what you will write? Was. No one was. So in which option there is mistake? The mistake is in part A. Alright. So that's how you are going to solve the rest of the questions. Let's see question number 2. It has been raining since 2 hours. Okay, and the last part is no error. It has been raining, part A, since B part, 2 hours C part and no error D part. Now here no error is also given. So you have to be extra careful whether this sentence carries any error or not. Let's see, it has been raining. I don't find any mistake in this. It has been raining since 2 hours. So remember here the mistake is in part B. Part B. Since is always used when we say something about a point of time. Okay. So here since will not be used and what we will use in place of since? For will be used because 2 hours is not giving some specific time. Alright. So next questions also, if based on since and for comes, you should be able to answer these questions, and I have very well made a video on since and for. You can watch that video and the concept will be very clear. Let's see the third question. Every child want to participate in quiz. Every child want to participate in quiz. There are 4 parts and there is no error. Option no is not given. Certainly there is some mistake. Okay, so let's find out. Every child, I don't find any mistake. Every child, it's okay. Want to participate in the quiz. Remember, every child shows singular subject. Okay. So here, want is in no tense. According to singular subject, the verb should be singular. So it should be wants. Every child wants to participate in the quiz. Alright. So, which part has mistake? Part B has mistake and the correct answer is wants in place of want. Let's see number 4. You should have respond to my query immediately. You should have respond to my query immediately. You all know with has, have and had, we always use third form of the verb. Third form of the verb. So, you should have responded. This respond is wrong. What it should be? Responded. Responded. So, mistake is in part B and the correct answer is responded. Very good. Coming to number 5. You can also write the answers before I give you in the comment section. Okay. The crew of sailors were not panicked by the strong wind. There are again 4 options. There is no error option is not given. It means again you have to find out the error. The crew of sailors were not panicked by the strong wind. Oh, it seems it's correct. No, but here you have to find out. The crew of sailors is not wrong. Okay, the crew of sailors means the people, those who are the crew members. Okay, were not panic by the strong wind. By the strong wind also it has no mistake. Okay, so were not panic. Here you have to find out where the mistake is. The crew of sailors. Whenever we talk about one unit as a collective noun, then remember the verb is not used plural. Okay, so it should be singular verb. So crew of sailors was not panic. Was not panic. So what is wrong here? Were is wrong here. In which part you have mistake? You have mistake in part B, and it should be was. Alright, let's see the next question. I'm sure you all are writing the answers in the comment section just for a practice. Try to write the answer before me. Okay, so let's see number 6. Monica sings very sweet when she is in a good mood. Monica sings very sweet when she is in a good mood. So there are again 4 options. Let's find out where the mistake lies. Monica sings. Here there is no mistake because Monica is singular subject. So verb is also singular. Monica sings very sweet. How does she sings? Very sweet. Sweet is an adjective. But here sings how? She sings sweetly. So here sweet is wrong. You should write here sweetly. What should be the answer? Sweetly. Okay, sweetly is an adverb. You have understood how can you make adverb with adjectives. Yes, by adding ly we can make adverb. Okay, so Monica sings very sweetly when she is in a good mood. So in which part there is mistake? Mistake is in part B. Let's see number 7. Every month the workers gets their monthly wages and then there is no error. Okay, so every month the workers gets their monthly wages. Now you see, here it's very clear. Every month there is no mistake. The workers gets. Now you see, workers, plural form. And you all know that to make verb singular, we add s or es. Okay, so here workers plural, but gets verb is singular. You need to use here plural verb. So the workers get. Here the mistake is in gets. So answer is get. Every month the workers get their monthly wages. In which part mistake is? Mistake is again in the B part. Okay, let's see next one. If she wants further information, send her to me. If she wants, again you see, if she wants, there is no mistake. Further information, send her to me. Send her to me. There is no mistake. Okay, somewhere here we have to see further information. Remember, farther is used in terms of distance. Okay, greater distance. But here it should be further. Further. Further is wrong. So again mistake is in part B. Remember, if she wants further information, send her to me. Further is used for a greater degree. Okay, to the greater degree we use further. अगर उसे और information चाहिए, if she wants some more information, then send her to me. Okay, here it means that. Now number 9. The river flowed besides the hillock. The river flowed besides the hillock. Here hillock means small hills. Okay, small hills. The river flowed besides the hillock. River flowed. It's in simple past tense. River flowed. So there is no mistake in A part and B part. The river flowed besides the hillock. Hillock also there is no mistake because it's about small hill. Okay, so besides. Now you see, besides and beside, there are 2 words. Okay, beside means by the side. Okay, and besides means in addition to. So here the river flowed beside the hillock, not besides. So what will be the answer? Beside. B-E-S-I-D-E. Only S will be removed. So mistake lies in part C. Okay. And now the last one. I'm not sure if the red car in the parking is your. I'm not sure if the red car in the parking is your. Now where the mistake is? Try to write in the comment section. I'm not sure. I don't find any mistake. I'm not sure in this part. If the red car, here also no mistake. In the parking, no mistake. Is your. Remember, here I'm not sure if the red car in the parking is your. Here the mistake is. It should be yours. What it should be? Yours. Remember, if I say, this is my pen. Is the red one yours? Okay. So we use here yours. And also remember, when we write yours, there should not be any apostrophe used. Please remember, yours does not carry any apostrophe. Okay. So yours without an apostrophe. And where is the mistake, by the way? Mistake is in part D and the correction is in place of yours. I'm sure that all from 1 to 10 spot the error you must have understood, because I have given the explanation also. Even though you have any doubt related to any of the sentence or any of the error, you can write in the comment section. Keep watching the channel, and if you have any further query, please write in the comment section. Thank you. Till then, bye-bye.